In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to generate a sales report on Shopify. To follow along, make sure you're logged into your Shopify admin on a computer because the reporting tools are much easier to use on a desktop layout. Once you're in, you'll land on your main Shopify dashboard. This is your home base, where you can see an overview of your store's performance. But today, we're going to dive deeper into detailed sales reports. From the left-hand side menu, look for the option labeled Analytics. Go ahead and click on that. The Analytics section is where Shopify pulls together all your store data so you can understand how your business is performing over time. Inside Analytics, you'll see different options like dashboards, reports, and live view. For this tutorial, we're interested in reports, so click on Reports. This will open a full list of pre-built reports that Shopify provides for your store. At the top of the reports page, you'll see a search bar. Click into that search bar and type the word sales. Shopify will filter the list and show you all the sales-related reports that are available for your plan. This might include things like net sales by order, gross sales by order, and other variations. Now, choose the specific sales report you want to work with. For example, if you want to see how much you actually earned after discounts and returns, you might select net sales by order. If you want to see the full amount before those adjustments, choose gross sales by order. Click on the report that best matches the information you need. Once the report opens, you'll see a table of data, usually broken down by date, order, and product. At the top right corner of this report page, look for an icon with 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to open additional options. From this menu, click on Export. A window will appear asking you how you'd like to export your report. Here, you can choose the format you prefer, such as CSV, XML, JSON, or Apache Parquet. CSV is often the easiest if you plan to open the report in Excel or Google Sheets. You can also decide whether you want to export all results from the data query or only the results currently displayed in the report. If you don't need a digital file and just want a physical copy, you can instead choose the print option from that same 3-dot menu. This will open your browser's print dialog so you can print the sales report directly or save it as a PDF.